Hi everyone, this is Taylor Perez, Comprehensive Planner at Serped. During the Mattapoisett Discovery Workshop, you'll have the opportunity to participate in 2 online exercises. Today, we're going to show you how to use the Points of Interest Mapping exercise. We're going to start off on the Serped website. This is the Mattapoisett Discovery Workshop landing page. You can get to this from the Mattapoisett Master Plan main page, which is serped.org/Mattapoisett-master-plan. At the bottom of the header image, there is a sub-navigation menu. We're going to click the last link, which is the Points of Interest Mapping exercise link. This will bring you to the bottom of the page, which is where the Points of Interest Mapping exercise lives. There is a brief description of the exercise as well as instructions on how to open it. If we click the blue icon with the pin, a new tab will open. This map is the exercise. It is a very simple point and drop exercise. If you need to zoom in and out on the map, you can use the scroll on your mouse or the plus or minus buttons in the top left corner. If you need to move the map around, simply click and drag. There is a search button underneath the zoom buttons in the top left corner. Here you can enter an address or a location. The point of this exercise is for us to learn points of interest in town that we may have not been aware of as they relate to the master plan. You will notice there are a series of icons that have already been placed on this map. These serve as examples and common concerns that we have found in the process thus far. If you hover over any of these icons, you'll notice the comment that is associated with it. For this exercise, you can choose to leave comment on icons that have already been dropped, drop icons, or do both. To start, we're going to show you how to leave a comment on a dropped icon. To leave a comment on a dropped icon, simply click on the icon that you are interested in. A drop-down menu will open. You will be able to see the description as well as the comment that was left. There are 3 options. You can either choose an autofill comment, one of 2, which is I agree or I disagree. This will autofill the comment box, and then to submit it, press Add Comment. If you'd like to leave a custom comment, simply type your comment in the comment box, and to submit it, press Add Comment. You will notice your comment will appear below. These comments are visible for all visitors, so we ask that you please be respectful and on point. If you would like to drop an icon and show us a point of interest that you think is important, you will start by clicking Points in the header. A drop-down menu will open that shows the 8 elements in your master plan. Simply select the element that you think best fits the comment that you would like to leave. It's okay if it's not perfect. The comment is really what matters to us. After you have selected the icon of your choice, you will notice your cursor turns into a crosshair. To place the icon, zoom into the part of town that you are interested in and simply click. You'll see that the icon has been placed. A drop-down menu will open, which will show you the element that you have selected and an empty comment box. Type your comment into the comment box and press Submit. If you find that you have placed the icon in a spot that you were not intending to, simply press Cancel and it will remove the icon. You can place as many or as few icons as you wish, and you can comment on as many icons as you wish. The exercise is complete when you feel that you have placed all of the points of interest you wish to and commented on all of the icons that you wish to. To exit the exercise, simply close the tab. And you're done. We thank you for participating in the Mattapoisett Discovery Workshop.